Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video. And this time, as you guys can see, it's the Bose TV speaker. And as you guys can see from the tag, I bought it for $3.99. Since it's a Black Friday running, so yeah, it was on a pretty cheap discount. I got it for $259.99, which is the same price as the Solo. So what are we waiting for? Let's just unbox this box here. Alright, so we have the unpacking here. We have one unpacking here. Alright. Pretty decent packaging. And as you guys know, that this is one of the 2020 models. The Solo 5 has been eliminated, and this is the new model for Solo 5, you could say. Alright, let me just take it out. Let's keep the box back. Alright, really amazing. Nice. I'll show you guys. Yeah, from the front. Okay. Alright. That's the Bose TV speaker, what Bose is calling it. And really amazing. So this tone here is dark tint gray, and the top is black. In Solo 5, you guys used to have the Bose, the emblem here, but it's here now at the top, and it's like engrossed in. Earlier you had a 3D sticker on, and you guys can see at the bottom that they have given hinges for the mount as well, which they are selling it separately. Let's talk about the ports, which is the most important thing. That's the power code. That is the alright, this is the USB to connect for the updates and stuff. This is the optical port to connect to TV, which I suppose this would be the best one. That's the HDMI ARC and aux in, and that's it. Power. Alright. Any other updates? So the best thing about the Bose TV speaker is, if you compare that to Solo 5, first of all, the bass factor is different. If you want, and this also supports Dolby Atmos as well, which is quite a good thing from Bose. And let's talk about the packaging inside. So you get a manual. They have reduced the remote size, which is quite a decent one. Earlier they used to give the big one, which has power on off button, changing the source, Bluetooth, bass, etc, etc. Alright, the starts here manual. What they're giving you is the power cable, and also they're giving us the optical cable as well, which is nowadays hard to find. That's it, what's inside the box. I can't see anything else now. Alright. Okay, so Bluetooth, yeah. So the good thing about the Bose TV speaker, as I said, it supports Dolby Atmos, and it has pretty decent bass. The speaker modules are located here, which are in a diagonal fashion. One is here, one is that side. So it creates an arc kind of a sound effect, which is really amazing and really mesmerizing. This is a really good and cheap if you are on a budget and if you want the premium sound. So this is the sound bar which you can keep, and as you guys can see, it's pretty handy as well. It can easily mount on the wall. It has the bottom mount as well if you want to mount it like this. But I would suggest to mount it like this way, because the sound eliminates from here. Thereby you get the home theater kind of a sound. And another update from Bose is this, like Solo 5 was not able to connect to the other devices, but this would be able to connect to your bass module as well as the other speakers as well, if you want to make it up a big sound system. That's why it says Bose TV speaker now, because you can have or purchase the module and you can connect them over and have an ultimate groundbreaking experience. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, so just don't hesitate, just push me a call, and I'll also make a review video for this soon, because I just took it out of the box. I'll just unpack the cables, put it back in, and let's see how the sound goes. I'm pretty excited, guys. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.